All right, good Monday afternoon, everyone. This is your weekly update for Math 61. Got an email about due dates. I'm glad that I did because, as you know, the due date for the first half of the class is coming up. So the class has two due dates. The first due date consists of half of the modules. So the course has 4 modules, so the first 2 modules are due on the 22nd. So today is the 19th. So let's see, the 22nd that's Thursday. So we need to have modules 1 and 2 done before Thursday at midnight. But the reason why I wanted to make note of the email that came in is the email mentioned that there's another grade book that says that the due dates are December 2nd. I thought that can't be true because I don't remember putting in any due dates of December 2nd. So I looked, and in the Blackboard grade book, sure enough, it says due December 2nd, worse than that, 2019. I have no idea where those came from. That is not applicable to us. Your due dates are for sure the 22nd, so that's this Thursday, and then the second due date is December 13th. So please ignore the due dates in the Blackboard gradebook. And probably more than that, I would just kind of stick with the gradebook in MyLab Statistics. So MyLab Statistics, you can, let me get back there. I don't know if that's going to get me back or not. That's okay. And MyLab Statistics, or sorry, MyLab Math. I just got out of a statistics class. MyLab Math. A couple of options down is the gradebook. Click on gradebook. I'll give you a more detailed explanation of your grade. Okay. So just wanted to remind you about your due dates and that your due date really is the 22nd. So be aware of that. Hope everybody's doing good. Have a good week and talk to you next week.